Hello everyone, Tech Review is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to change your Microsoft Word language into a different language. You may want to change it to English or any other language that you want, and this method will also work for other Microsoft Office products, Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, or other Office products of the Microsoft will work. So you can change the language of those Microsoft using this step. So for this video, we are going to change the language for Microsoft Word. So to change the language, go here on the top and click here, File. And after you select File, you will find in the bottom Option. So select Option. Then after you select Option, you will find here different lists, which is General, Display, Proofing, Save, and Language. So select Language. Then after you select Language, you will get here different language. In my case here, the preferred language is English for United Kingdom, and you can add even other languages here in this section. So to add the language, you can select here Add Language. Then after that, you can select the language that are available by the Microsoft Word or the Microsoft Store. So let's select other language. For example, let's select here Germany. So select this Germany and click here Install. So it will say that we are preparing to install your new language. After you click OK, we will begin downloading and installing the language in the background. It may be a few minutes until you see the progress. Once the installation is completed, Office will ask you to restart and apply new language. So when you click OK, it will start downloading, and it may take some time based on the speed of your internet. Then after that, it will restart your Microsoft Word. So after this, it will download and it will finish. Then it will restart your Microsoft Word. Then the language that you downloaded will be installed and will be changed to your Microsoft Word. So you can use these steps for other Microsoft products, for PowerPoint, for Excel, and other products of the Microsoft Office. So thank you for watching this video, and if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Tech Review.